Let's consider the next question, that is question number 7, based on integral I equals integral a to b x4 minus 2x square dx. If I is minimum, then the ordered pair a comma b. Now question says this area is minimum, this integral's value is minimum. Let's consider what the curve actually is inside integral, that is x4 minus 2x square. If I talk about a polynomial function x4 minus 2x square, if I say equal to 0, actually I can see the zeros of this polynomial as 0, 0 plus minus root 2. If I differentiate it, I can also see f dash x is equal to 4x cube minus 4x is equal to 0, x equals 0 plus minus 1, right. So we have three roots for this derivative, 0 plus minus 1. So we can clearly see here plus minus 1 are the points of minima, while 0 is the point of maxima. Now here we are in a position to draw this curve as this one. Draw the x-axis and y-axis. It is coming in this fashion like this. Here we can mark the values as minus root 2, 0 and root 2. Here is 1, here it is minus 1. Now the question is, the integral is minimum. So obviously the minimum value will be obtained when you are going with this portion, otherwise it is going to be unbounded. So this will be the minimum value, this is the case required. Hence the value for a and b obtained as minus root 2 and plus root 2 respectively. So yes, clearly the correct answer is option number 4. I am sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the next one, that is 8th question of this paper. An unbiased coin is tossed. A question is from probability. If the outcome is a head, then a pair of unbiased dice is rolled and the sum of numbers obtained on them is noted. Correct? So the question is clearly saying, if coin shows you a head, then pair of dice rolled. Next, if toss of coin shows a tail, then what we do? We draw a card from a well shuffled pack of 9 cards numbered 1 to 9. So this is the key. Now what they are asking for? They are saying is randomly picked and the number on the card is noted. The probability that the noted number is either 7 or 8 is. So let's start this question. It says we have to find a probability, let's say required probability. And what is that? It is saying the number is either 7 or 8. Correct? Now first case, suppose heads comes up. If heads comes up, the probability is 1 by 2, right. When coin is showing heads, what was the case? We were going to throw a pair of unbiased die. In case of a pair of unbiased die, number 7 is obtained as 1, 6, 2, 5 and so on till 6, 1, while number 8 is obtained as 2, 6, 2, 6, 2. So there are 6 plus 5, total 11 cases. So multiplied with 11 by 36, or if the coin has shown tails, this gives you half into. The result says we are going to draw a card. How many cards? 9, numbered 1 to 9. What's the required probability? 2 by 9. So multiplied with 2 by 9. So let's simplify this result. It is 11 by 72 plus 2 by 18, or simply 72 as LCM, 11 plus 8, that is 19. So correct answer is 19 by 72. Let's see from the given options. It is available here as option number 4. So let's mark and mention the correct answer. I am sure this question is clear. Let's consider the next one. Consider the quadratic equation c minus 5x square minus 2cx plus c minus 4 equals 0, where c is not equal to 5. Let S be the set of all integral values of c for which One of the roots of the equation is in the interval 0 to 2, while the other root is in the interval 2 to 3. So we have to talk about number of elements in S. So let's start this question. It is saying that the quadratic equation given by c minus 5 into x square minus 2cx plus c minus 4 is equal to 0 has one root in the interval 0 to 2, meaning f0 into f2 is less than 0, and other root in the interval 2 to 3, meaning f2 into f3 is less than 0. See, when I have 0 to 1 root, 2 to 3 other roots, so I can say both roots are in the interval 0 to 3. So I can take the second condition f0 into f3 as greater than 0, because f0 is easier to calculate. So that way we can go with these two constraints. If I go with f0, I have c minus 4. If I put x as 2 over here, I am getting 4 into c minus 5 minus 4c plus c minus 4, right. So we get here 4c minus 4c cancelled, simply we have c minus next minus 20 minus 4, that is minus 24, less than 0, giving me c belongs to 4 to 24 as the first result. This is clear. Moving ahead, also c minus 4 into, next is f3, substitute the value of x as 3, that gives you 4c minus 49, and this product is greater than 0. From here we have the conclusion c belongs to minus infinity to 4 union 49 by 4 to infinity. Now looking at the options, we can see first says 4 to 24, second says minus infinity to 4 union 49 to infinity. So what's the common part here? Yes, final conclusion from 1 and 2. Therefore c belongs to 49 by 4 to 24. What is 49 by 4? 12.25. It is given that we have to take the values as integer. So the possible values for c, it is 13, 14, 15 and so on till 23. We can put it in a curly braces so that we get a set. How many elements are there? There are total 11 elements in this set. So we have to check the correct answer. Yes, it is given here as option number 1. So let's mark it and write down the correct answer as 1. I'm sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the next one, that is question number 10.